Top 5 apps like Funding Pips review that actually work today. Funding Pips is known for Forex and crypto funding, but most people get this wrong by trusting unverified platforms. The surprising truth is there are several apps that provide safe, verified trading and funding options. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, eToro offers social trading and verified broker accounts. Users highlight transparency and global market access. Second, Binance provides crypto trading with secure verification and reliable funding. Customers appreciate real-time updates and robust security. Third, Kraken focuses on crypto trading with strong verification processes. Users report trustworthy transactions and responsive support. Fourth, Ecoption allows Forex and binary trading with verified accounts. App users love user-friendly interface and quick deposits. Finally, Coinbase offers crypto trading and wallet management with verified transactions. Users value security and ease of use. Pro tip: always verify platform licensing and fund protection. Avoid apps without verified credentials to prevent scams. These 5 apps help traders fund accounts and trade safely with verified platforms.